we need to decide whether A, with coordinates 1, 1, B, with coordinates 4, 5, and C, with coordinates 7, 9, lie on one straight line. We will test this using their distances. The formula we will use is the distance formula. The distance between P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. It comes from Pythagoras theorem. Step 1 is finding AB. Substitute B is 4, 5 and is 1, 1. The x difference is 4 minus 1, which is 3. The y difference is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So AB equals the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared. Now complete the calculation for AB. 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5, so AB equals 5 units. Next find BC. You see 7, 9, and B, 4, 5. The x difference is 7 minus 4, which is 3, and the y difference is 9 minus 5, which is 4. Therefore BC equals square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 5 units. Now find the whole distance AC. The x difference is 7 minus 1, which is 6. The y difference is 9 minus 1, which is 8. AC equals square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared, or square root of 36 plus 64. This is square root of 100, equal to 10 units. For 3 points with B between A and C, they are collinear when AB plus BC equals AC. Here, AB is 5 and BC is 5. Giving 10. This equals AC, which is also 10. Therefore all 3 points are collinear. https://mathix.co. Subscribe to the channel for more clear Class 10 math explanations and practice this distance check with more coordinate points.